The Moonshine, this video is for you. You should watch Amphibia, and here's why.
Okay,
The characters are good, with compelling arcs and good designs. Don't believe me? Just look at them. I definitely need to put a loud noise warning in the title of this video. Either way, don't take this video too seriously, it's just a joke. It was just the only thing I could come up with right now.
Okay,
Might have gotten you stranded in Amphibia. On purpose.
You've got to be kidding me.
No, I can't be.
Oops! Looks like I spilled the tea, as you kids say.
I did it for us. The day we left, your birthday, they told me my dad got a new job out of state. They're making me move away. They were gonna tear us apart.
Marcy.
I found the box. I had no idea that it would actually work, but it did. And it sent us to a place where we'd never have to grow apart, where the three of us could be friends forever together.
How could you? I've been missing my parents, my life.
But look at how much fun we've had. Look at how much you've both grown. Look at Sprig. I gave you this. I gave you everything. I just didn't want to be alone.
Yeesh! That's enough to almost make me cry. And that's a hard thing to do. Anyway, wasn't that just lovely? Well, this was my first video in a while, but now I have run out of ideas. But I have an announcement to make. Okay.